Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Pinterest not showing videos, you're not alone. Many users face this problem, but luckily, there are several steps you can take to resolve it. Let's dive into the solutions. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for loading videos. To do this, open your device's settings, then click on the network icon. Ensure that you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection seems fine, the next step is to close the app and reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can clear minor glitches that prevent videos from displaying. Another useful tip is to ask the sender to resend the video. There might be an issue with the original upload that prevents it from playing correctly on your end. Next, let's focus on clearing the app's cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing issues. From your device settings, navigate to Pinterest settings, then click on Clear Data. After that, choose Clear Cache and confirm this action. This step often resolves many common problems. Once you've cleared the cache, it's a good idea to restart your device. This ensures that all changes take effect and can help refresh the app's performance. After restarting, open Pinterest again and check if the videos are now visible. If you still encounter issues, consider updating the app through your device's app store to ensure you have the latest version. By following these steps, checking your internet connection, restarting the app, asking for a video resend, clearing cache and data, and restarting your device, you should be able to fix the problem of Pinterest not showing videos. Remember, technology can sometimes be unpredictable, but with these troubleshooting tips, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite content in no time.